Our exclusive glides adjust up to 2 for a perfect fit for the various depths of upper cabinets, giving you easy slide-out access to all your spices and bottles. PROGLIDE Plus 2 full extension ball bearing glides are engineered to ensure smooth sliding and to clear any cabinet lip. Unique heavy-duty polymer trays, 1/8 thick, are securely locked into place to protect your cabinet from spills. Professionally engineered to industrial standards with commercial quality steel and chrome construction for unparalleled strength and durability for a lifetime of use. Easy mount proprietary design requires no measuring and installs in minutes, just 2 screws, included. Lynk Professional transforms any cabinet in your kitchen or pantry to the beauty and convenience of our slide-out spice rack organizers, ideal for narrow cabinets. This innovative pull-out spice rack organizer for cabinets gives easy slide-out access to all the hidden spices in kitchen cabinets and pantries. Our PROGLIDE Plus 2 industrial-grade full-extension dual-ball bearing glides ensure smooth sliding and is engineered to clear any cabinet lip. Exclusive design even adjusts to extend up to an extra 2 further than ordinary full-extension glides, ensuring a perfect fit and complete access to all spices and bottles in deeper upper cabinets. No need for special jars, you can keep your herbs and spices in their original containers. This special spice holder rack eliminates clutter in your cabinets, pantries, drawers, and on your countertops by organizing spices, condiments, oils, and other bottles in your kitchen cabinets. The heavy-duty thick polymer trays lock into place and protect your cabinets from spills while keeping even the smallest items stable. Our spice rack, professionally engineered with commercial quality steel and a beautiful chrome finish, gives you unparalleled strength and durability for a lifetime of trouble-free use. And our proprietary easy mount design requires no measuring and installs in minutes, just 2 screws, included, no need to remove shelves. The Lynk Professional pull-out double spice rack holds up to 20 standard size spice jars, jars not included. The Lynk Professional Spice Rack is available in multiple designs and sizes to fit all your needs. U.S. Patent D876, 169 product. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for creating more space in small areas. I spent a lot of time making sure that the measurements were the best fit for these tiny cupboard/press areas. Had it installed in under 30 minutes. The build quality is very robust and well manufactured. The sliding rails are of a very good quality, no sticking or jamming. I have now doubled capacity in the areas. Before this product was installed, many items would fall out. This has made a big difference to this area. I had bought one originally to see how it went, and due to the great results I bought another. Well worth the extra cash.